guys, welcome to my channel. Today I got a surprise for you. Matchbox. I know it's been a very long time since I've opened Matchbox. I haven't opened Matchbox in like 4 years. But yeah, today I got some new ones right here. And also guys, if you are new to my channel, just say subscribe. And also I make videos about cars. So yeah, here it is. And also, it's exclusive. Ooh. I just bought this because it has a gold Dodge Challenger. See, exclusive. Exclusive in French. Exclusive in like Spanish. Man, how many times did I have to write exclusive? So yeah, it's even got a double-decker bus. Yeah, I love it. It's cool. And also you got 2020 Jaguar. Here we go. Matchbox, Ford, MG, Chevy, Chevrolet. Here's the side. And then here's the back with all the stuff of for 3-year-olds. So yeah, let's open Hot Wheels. No, I mean Matchbox. I'm sorry. I'm too touched with Hot Wheels. So full mad. Here we are. Finally, it took over like 1 minute. It's beautiful. Get this out of here. So yeah, here are the Hot Wheels. I love the smell. So yeah, let's start off with this. What is this? So yeah, here we got some pickup truck. It is red and it looks like it's some Ford maybe. I need to check. It is a rocker soccer. It's a rock soccer. I don't think it's like a real car, but I don't know. I'm just gonna judge by the face. It kind of looks like a Chevy or a Ford. But yeah, this car has got like some funky looks. It's got this bar metal part here. You got this big engine. Oh yeah, next. I'm gonna open. I want the double-decker bus. Well, here's a double-decker bus. Mostly, this is a bus that. Oh, thank you. This is basically a bus that has 2 stories. One at the bottom, one at the top. And mostly you'd see these cars in England. But mostly, like, I saw one of these in Canada. It's cool. Look at the front. The windshield's really big. And it's so fat. And it's nice, too. Look, it even says UK. It says UK bidet. UK. And it's also very tall, too. I'm just imagining how much gas this thing burns. It's more than a hammer. But still, it's cute. Honk, honk. I'm going to put this on my shelf. So, yeah. Next, we got a van. It's actually a service van for a water. RABCQ rotor. Ooh, it's a nice van, though. I like it. And this is a Ford van, but we need to check what type. Ford panel van, 1999. It's a pretty old van you're driving. Let's test drive it. It's nice. And also, I really like the chrome wheels, too. That's just Here, which one should we open next? No, wait, not really open, but pick. I'm thinking Jaguar. Okay, this is a 2020 Jaguar. Of course, wait. It's 2015? Yeah, 2015 Jaguar F-Type Coupe. This is a nice car. It kind of got the look like it's a 2020 Jaguar, but no. But still, look at it. The front kind of looks like some like weird Ford or something. It just gives me that weird look. But still, this car's even got a sunroof too, where I can put my fat finger inside and it can drive. So yeah, but gotta wait. It's got a cool little logo. It's got that. Next, you know what? I'm gonna let you pick. Which one should I pick, guys? Oh, you want this one? Okay. Police car. Here is this. Oh, I like this. This is cute. Ooh, look at it. Oh, it's missing a little bit paint though. That's bad. But still, look. Here we got a little old-fashioned 90s police car. It's funny though. I love it. Look at that. It's small. It's long. It looks like a marshmallow. No, wait, not a marshmallow. Well, what kind of car is this? What? 1950 Hansen Haunter. I don't know what that car is, but I was thinking it was a Chevy or I forgot what it's called. Okay, next. This one. This is, I don't know what it is. It's like a Levic TX taxi. I don't know, it's got no brand. It kind of looks like, I think it's a Genesis or a Chrysler. This car is, it's cute, it's small. It's got some like circle tires, and I think that's a Chrysler. Yeah. And I can fit in my hand. I love it. It's black even, and that's kind of like my favorite car a little bit. Okay. Let's open this red car. What is this? Oh, come on. Okay, you know what I've been realizing? In this set, there are like a lot of like fake cars. This, like, I don't know the brand of this. No brand, no brand. So yeah, here we got this car. This is like a Tenny. It's called a Tenny. So yeah, this car right here, it's red. It kind of looks like some European car, but the logo on the car kind of looks like it's a Rolls Royce kind of a little bit. And the rims got they're like kind of chrome. They're like so yeah. You're coming next almost. Next, police car. Here we got this police car, but you know what's a cool thing? Look, see, there's like a little piece. Look, this is like kind of covering the tire a little bit. What? Okay, what kind of car is this though? Okay, I'm just gonna guess. This I think it's a Chevy. No, it's not. I forgot. Yes, Chevy. 1995 Chevy Copper Classic Police. Let's test drive it. See if it's actually good. You're under arrest for being too fast. But I was only going 180. That's not funny. Yeah. So yeah. Next, that was a weird noise, is the Grand Hail that I should not touch. It is the Golden Dodge Challenger. It's so beautiful. It's so golden. It's beautiful. It's so thick. It's beautiful. I don't want to break it out at all. It's beautiful. It's even got a sunroof. No. That's good. So yeah, guys. Yeah, let's organize Hotwheels. And guys, what were you doing? Did you guys fight? That's okay. So yeah, let's organize it. Here you go. I'm gonna put the double-decker boy. No, just kidding. I'm just gonna put it next to me. Yes. Everybody come. Come. Everybody come. Oh no. This boy's having a problem. You're having a problem. Okay, they're having problems. And now a golden boy is coming. He's gonna be in the front. This is because it's special. It feels so goldeny. Hey, don't you move. I'm just gonna have to do that a little bit because it won't fall. There you go. So yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. Also, guys, you're forgetting one thing. Did you click the subscribe button? Yeah, that big red button right down there. You gotta click it, okay? Or I'll steal all your cookies. Okay, make sure to subscribe, and also have a gaming channel, Zamir Gaming. Okay, you know the drill. But if you're still new, it's called Zamir Gaming 101. Like and subscribe, and also like on the video too. Okay? Make sure to subscribe still, and stay tuned and notification bell so you don't miss any more of my amazing videos. Bye! Golden Dodge Challenger. Bye.